Medical device company Exactech recently announced a major recall of all its knee and ankle replacement implant systems made after 2004. The recall impacts almost 150,000 implants that were used in knee replacement surgeries, referred to as total knee arthroplasty. Exactech launched the recall after learning that a defect in the vacuum-sealed packaging in its knee replacement systems was causing the polyethylene insert component to oxidize and degrade. Over time, the degraded polyethylene inserts induced excessive friction and wear, causing premature failure of the Exactech knee replacement systems. Failure of the knee implant causes chronic pain and lack of mobility, and eventually the patient will have to undergo additional surgery to replace the defective implant. Anyone who had an Exactech knee implant replacement system or ankle replacement system implanted after 2004 may be able to bring a product liability lawsuit if that implant subsequently failed and they had to go under revision surgery. Plaintiffs who bring a successful Exactech knee replacement system lawsuit would be entitled to damages for pain and suffering, medical expenses, and any lost income or wages incurred as a result of the knee implant failure. We estimate that Exactech defective knee implant lawsuits will have a settlement value of around $70,000 to $150,000, which is comparable to the average compensation payout in other personal injury cases involving serious knee injuries. Our firm is currently accepting Exactech knee and ankle implant failure cases from anyone who had an Exactech knee or ankle replacement system implanted and experienced a failure of that implant which required revision surgery. If you meet these criteria, call us today at 800-553-8082.